Why is my furnace making banging sounds? Imagine your home is cozy and warm, then suddenly you hear loud banging noises coming from your furnace. That sound can be startling, but it often points to simple issues you can fix. Let's explore what might be causing those loud bangs and how to handle them. One common reason is delayed ignition. This happens when gas builds up inside the furnace before it ignites. Normally, when your thermostat calls for heat, the gas valve opens and the burners light immediately. But if the ignition is delayed, gas can accumulate in the combustion chamber. When it finally ignites, it causes a loud bang or small explosion. This is often caused by dirty furnace burners that prevent the gas from lighting quickly. It can also be due to incorrect gas pressure or too much gas being supplied. This delay can be serious because the mini explosion can crack the heat exchanger, which is a costly part to replace. It can also pose safety risks. If you notice a delay before your furnace starts or hear a loud bang right when it kicks on, delayed ignition is likely the cause. Another reason for banging sounds is expanding and contracting ductwork. When your furnace blower turns on, the metal ducts heat up and expand. As they cool down, they contract. This physical change can cause popping or banging noises coming from the ductwork rather than the furnace itself. Usually, this noise is heard a few feet away from the furnace. It often happens if air filters are clogged or supply vents are closed, restricting airflow and causing pressure buildup. While less dangerous than delayed ignition, frequent or loud duct noises suggest airflow issues. These can be fixed by replacing dirty filters or opening closed vents. Regular maintenance helps keep airflow smooth and prevents pressure problems. A dirty or clogged air filter can make both problems worse by restricting airflow. Changing filters regularly, about once every 1 to 3 months, helps prevent these issues. If your furnace makes banging sounds when starting up, it's a good idea to have a professional inspect it. They can check for delayed ignition, clean the burners, and examine the ductwork for pressure problems. Remember, loud banging sounds are your furnace's way of sending a message that something needs attention. Whether it's a dirty burner or stressed ductwork, addressing these issues keeps your home safe and your heating system running smoothly.